Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you chapter number first. The name of the chapter is sets. So what is set? The first term which you will study in this chapter is set. What is set? A set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. A set is a collection of well-defined distinct object. For an example, if we want to write the number of days in a week, we know very well days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 7 days are there in a week. So we know the answers very well. So we will call it well defined. Distinct means different. So here you will observe days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These all days are different. So that means distinct. Distinct word means different. Distinct means different. Well defined means we know the answer very well. These are well defined. So such collection is known as set. Now there are two ways to represent a set. Notation or ways or methods to represent a set. First method to represent a set is method of representation. Method of representation of a set. First method, roster method. Roster method. Another name of this method is tabular method. Roster or tabular method. Second method is set builder method. Set builder method. Another name of this method is rule method. So these are the two ways of representing a set. So first method is roster method. What is roster method? In this method we will write all the elements in a braces and we will separate them with the help of commas. As I had written here, these are the days of the week. Here each and every day I had written in the braces. Braces means bracket, and we had separated each of these days with the help of commas. So such way of representation is known as roster method. And second method is set builder method. In set builder method we have to write the common properties of these elements. These are known as elements of the sets. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these all are elements of the set. So set builder form we have to write the common properties of these elements. What are these? These are the days of a week. So we will write in the set builder form. Beginning we have to do like this: x such that x is a days of the week. What are these? These are the days of a week. So we will write it x such that x is the days of the week. Such way of representation in which we are writing the characteristic property of these things. Such a way of representation is known as set builder method. So now we will start solving some question based on these topics. So let's start with the question number first. Question number first is, which of the following collection are set? So in question number first we have to tell which of the following are set. So what we will do? Question number first part. All the months of a year. All the month of a year. And we have to tell whether it is a set or not. So you know the answer very well. What are the months of a year? January, Feb, March, and so on up to last month of the year is December. So these all are known as elements of a set. These all are different elements, and we know the answer very well. Well defined. This is the well defined. So it is a set. We will write first part is it is a set. Second part is all the super actors of India. What do you have to write? All the super actors of India. So this answer is not well defined. We know the exact answer. Exact answer we don't know. Super actor, so many actors are there, and if we will watch the movies, sometime we will observe that some movies are having good high rating, some are having not. So this is not the fixed. Sometime you will observe that Akshay Kumar is the best actor, and in other movie, when other movie will come, then some other actor will be the best. So this is not the fixed answer. This is not a well defined answer. So what we will say? It is not a set. So we will not write in curly bracket. We will write it is not a set. Why it is not a set? Because this is not a well defined answer. This answer we will not be able to give. Who is the super actor? We don't know. Today Akshay Kumar is having good high rating, public rating. He is having good stars. That means Akshay Kumar is best. But tomorrow who will be the next super actor? Akshay Kumar is not a fixed one. So this answer is not well defined. So we will not be able to give the answer. So that means it is not a set. Now third part, all the letters of the word Mizoram. In word Mizoram, which letters are coming? M letter is coming. I, Z, O, R, A. Again M is coming, so M is coming 2 times, so no need to write M 2 times. So answer to this set is easy to give. We had written all the letters which are coming in the word Mizoram, so we know the answer very well. So we will say it is a set. So like this we have to do question number first. Now come to question number second. Second question is A be the set of whole numbers greater than -3 but less than 5. A is the set. So first of all we will write the set A. All the sets we have to write in the curly braces. So first of all we will put curly braces. All the whole numbers you know very well what are whole numbers. Whole numbers are those starting from 0. Greater than -3 but less than 5. Less than 5 whole numbers we have to write. Less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We will not take negative numbers because we have to write whole numbers. Now we have to fill in the blanks with belong to and not belong to. First part 0-A. So first of all what you have to do? You will check it whether 0 is coming in this A set or not. 0 is here. So we will write belong to. This is the sign of belong to. 3-A. Third part. Sorry, second part is 3-A. So 3 is coming in A set, so we will write here belong. Third, -4-A. So in the set A, -4 is not coming, so we will write not belong to. We have to cut this symbol, that means this is not belong to. So like this you have to do question number second. Now all of you see question number third. Third question. Write the following set in the roster method as well as in the rule method. So both the methods you have to write. Part number first. First of all we will put the heading. 2 methods we have to write. First method is roster method. Another name of roster method is tabular method. And second method is rule method. Rule method. Another name of rule method is set builder method. So we have to write in both the methods. First part is set of letters of the word terracotta. So how you will write the answer? Letters of word. Roster form we have to write. Roster means we have to write all the elements and we have to separate them with the help of commas. Commas we have to put in between. Letters of word terracotta. So T letter is coming E, R, A, C, O, double T. T is already written here, so no need to write it again. Then after that A is coming, A is already there. So all the letters we had written here, except these letters, no new letter is coming. So this is the answer in the roster method. Now rule method, set builder or rule method. So in this you have to write the property. These are the letters of word terracotta. So we will write X such that X is a letter of word terracotta. So this is the answer of part number first. Now part number fourth part of obviously fourth part. We have to write both the methods, roster method as well as rule method. In the roster method, we have to write all the elements in the braces and we have to separate them with the comma. So what we have to write here? Even integers lying between -10 and 10 plus 10. Integer is coming, so integer means we can write plus number also, we can write minus number also. Even means those numbers which are coming in a table of 2, minus negative numbers also and positive number also, between -10 and plus 10. So -8 is coming, after -8 -6 is coming in a table of 2, then -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These all are those numbers which are coming in a table of 2, and these all numbers are lying between -10 and plus 10. Now rule method we have to write. So these all numbers are coming in a table of 2. So what you have to do, beginning you have to do like this, x such that formula we have to make x is equal to 2n. Why we are writing it x is equal to 2n? Because these all numbers are coming in a table of 2. So table of 2 means x is equal to 2n. If here such numbers will be there which are coming in a table of 3, then that time you have to write x is equal to 3n. Now this is -8. -8 means 2 multiply -4, then only we will get -8. -6 means 2 multiply -3, then only we will get -6. Similarly for all the elements we will check. 8 is the last element. So 8 how we will get? 2 multiply 4 when we will do, then we will get 8. So what you are observing? Here all the numbers which we had written here, all are coming in a table of 2. That's why x is equal to 2n. Now what is this n? N is these numbers, ये number, these are the value of n. X is equal to 2n. 2 multiply n. So these all are values of n, starting from -4, -3, then -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and last value will be 4. So n values are negative also and n values are positive also. So we will write n belong to integer. Integer means I, or you can write z also, both are correct. Z represent integer, I also represent integers. Now these n values are greater than, we had started from -4, so these are greater than -5. N values are greater than -5 and less than, we had written up till 4. N values are up till 4, that means less than 5. These all values are less than 5. So n values are greater than -5 and less than +5, and here we will close the bracket. So this is the rule method, or we can say this is the set builder method. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 3rd. Now come to question number 4th question. Here you can do one more thing. If you will not write -5, if you are writing here -4, suppose if I will write -4 here in place of -5, if I will write -4, then under this sign we have to put equal. Here also equal. This line represent equal to. Equal to means this value is also included here, -4. But here I am not put equal sign. Why? Because I am not taking -5. I am taking greater than -5. Here if we will put equal sign, that means we are taking -4 also and greater than -4 also. So both the ways are correct. Either you can do like this, or this method is also correct. If you want to do like this is also a correct answer. Now question number 4th. Question number 4. Which all write the following set in tabular form and find their cardinal number. Fourth question. First part, we have to write tabular form as well as cardinal number. A is equal to x such that x belong to n and x is greater than -1, less than 3. So we have to write natural number. N represent natural number and natural number starts from 1 plus 1. So tabular form we have to write x values are greater than -1. Greater than -1 is 0. But we have to write natural number and 0 is not a natural number. So we will not take 0. Then we will take 1. After that 2 and bracket close. Because here it is written x is less than 3. So less than 3 we have to write. That means up to 2 we have to write. Now cardinal number of A we have to write NA. NA, how many elements are there in this bracket? 2. So cardinal number of A is 2. So like this you have to do. Fourth question, first part. Now see third part. C is equal to 2-digit number divisible by 15. We have to write the table of 15. 2-digit numbers. We will not write 3-digit, only 2-digit. 2-digit means 15 is coming in a table of 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Only this much numbers are there which are of 2 digits, and these all numbers are coming in a table of 15. After 90, which number will come in a table of 15? This is the table of 15 only. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 105. And in 105, 3 digits are coming. But in the question he is asking only 2-digit number. That's why we have written up to 90. Now cardinal number of C we have to write. Cardinal number of C, how we will write? We will count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cardinal number of C is 6. So like this you have to do question number 4th. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Write the following set in set builder form. Set builder we have to write. First part, A, E, I, O, U. Here name of the set is not given, so we will write ourselves. This is capital A, set. Now in set builder form we have to write these all are vowels. English grammar you had already studied these things. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These all are vowels of the English alphabet. So but you have to write X as that X is a vowels of English alphabet. Now part number 3rd. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So what you are observing here, these are those numbers which are not coming in a table of 2. That means these all are odd numbers. And starting from 1 means natural number. These are odd and these are starting from 1, so that means natural. So we will say X such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Here name of the set is not given. We can take any name. A. Let's say this is the A set. So A is equal to X such that X is an odd natural number. So this is the final answer. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 5. So now rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video. So your homework is you all have to finish up to question number 5.